Jim, the Protoss are already closing in on the colony. My people don't stand a chance.
We're gonna have to stop that purifier of theirs before it can wipe the whole place out. Get everyone evacuated to the main base, Ariel. If the purifier gets that far, we're done. Well, at least we can count on them being methodical. They'll stop to burn every settlement along the way.
You sure know how to pick a fight, cowboy. I got something that'll help you. I called in some favors and got us Viking schematics. Remember, they can change from a jet into a combat walker and back again. Pretty nifty stuff.
Jim, the purifier's drawing power from several Protoss nexus. Its shields are completely impenetrable. How can you stop something like that?
Easy. We knock out those nexi first, then we take down the purifier. Don't worry, Ariel. We'll stop them.
Go ahead.
I've located the Protoss nexuses that are channeling power to the Purifier's shields. We'll have to destroy them before we can stop the Purifier.
SCV ready. Victory.
Some of the colonists didn't make it to our base in time. We should be ready to assist them when the Protoss attack.
Gotcha. SCV ready. You gonna get
Ready for war?
agreed. Let's get into the fight. Made for battle. SCV ready. This better be good. Huh? Yo.
Please state the nature of your medical emergency.
Transformation systems primed. I like it.
Add-on.
SCV ready. All right. Hold. Fight or flight. Yeah, right. SCV ready.
Not enough minerals.
Sir, the Purifier has arrived and is on the move.
Let's get into the fight. SCV ready. You ready for war? Bad news? Made. Transformation systems primed. Victory.
Please state the nature of
Ready
your
to
medical
plunder.
emergency.
Fight or flight. Yeah, right. Ready to plunder. Certainly.
Add-on complete.
We better send some body bags.
The Purifier's coming into range of a colony base.
Very well. Agreed. You ready for war? Let's get into the fight. Big job, huh?
We better send some body bags.
We hear you.
We better send some body bags.
Go ahead. Yep.
We better send some body bags.
Ready to plunder. What's going on? In the rear with the gear. SCV ready.
Sir, detecting a massive energy spike. The purifier is about to fire.
You ready for war? Let's get into the fight. SCV ready. Made for battle.
Insufficient Vespene gas.
Ready to plunder.
Insufficient Vespene gas.
Commander, a Protoss squadron is going after the colony ships. Those people don't stand a chance unless we stop it.
Very well. Fine. Let's get into the SCV ready. Bold. I like it.
Add-on complete.
SCV ready.
Thanks, Raiders. We're getting out of here.
Fight or flight. Ready to plunder.
The colonists have evacuated the first settlement in the Purifier's path. The colonists left some resources behind after they evacuated. We should pick them up.
Need for battle. Ready to plunder. Can't hold them alone. You ready for war? Transformation system.
Base is under attack.
Made for battle. Ready to plunder. SCV ready. I like it. What's going on? Go ahead.
Additional supply depots required.
Bad news? Yo. Huh? Sure. In the rear with the gear. Transformation systems primed. Big job, huh? Ready to plunder. Big job, huh? SCV ready. What's going on? Ah! You scared me! Yes, sir! Go ahead. Fight. What's going on? SCV ready.
The Protoss have arrived at another settlement, sir.
Bold. No one lives forever. SCV ready. Let's get into the fight. Certainly. Transformation systems prime. Inbound.
That's one Nexus down. Keep at it, boys. We gotta stop that ship.
You ready to plunder? Made for battle. Big job, huh? You ready for war? Transformation systems prime. Ha ha! Let's get into the fight. Agreed. What's going on? Fight or flight? Yeah, right. Fight or flight? Yeah, right. Ready to plunder. You ready for war? No one lives forever. Very well. Certainly. Inbound. Ready to plunder. Made for battle. Let's get into the fight. Ready to plunder.
Another Nexus gone. Great work. Don't give them a chance
Energy
to
output is
regroup.
peaking. The Protoss are going to
Ready to
destroy the
plunder.
second colony base.
You ready for war? Fight or flight? Yeah, right. You ready for war? No one lives forever. Transformation systems primed. Fight or flight? Yeah, right. Bold, ready to plunder.
Not enough minerals.
Huh? Yep. Fight or flight? Yeah, right. Yes, indeed. Victory.
Warning. Protoss squadron detecting approaching colonist settlement.
Inbound. Can't hold them alone. Very well. Ready to plunder. Transformation system prime. I like it.
That was a close one. Thanks.
The colonists have successfully evacuated that settlement.
Made for battle. Transform. Agreed. Certainly. Can't hold them alone. No one lives forever. Transformation systems primed.
Base is under attack.
Ready to plunder. Made for battle. Victory. Very well. Inbound. Bold.
Not enough minerals.
Transformation systems primed. Agreed. All right. Fight or flight? Yeah, ready to plunder. You ready for war? I like it. Let's get into the fight. Fight.
The Purifier shields are offline, sir. Hit it now.
Not Not enough minerals.
Made for battle. Certainly. Very well.
The Purifier has sent our units into a dimensional warp field. The effect should only be temporary, though.
They've almost reached the next base. Hurry!
Not enough minerals.
Agreed. Ready to plunder.
The Protoss are retreating! You've done it!
You are as cunning as the stories say, James Raynor. I hope your belief in these colonists will be vindicated.
So I guess this is goodbye, Doc. Well, you've got a lot of cleaning up to do out there.
We'll manage somehow. I just hope you boys stay out of trouble. Those Protoss are bound to be upset.
Well, me and the Protoss go way back. I've helped them out a few times. Figure they might cut me some slack.
You know, you could always stay here. Settle down, make a new start.
Guys like me don't get second chances, darling. We just gotta finish what we've begun.
You're a good man, Jim Raynor.